What's up, YouTube? It's your girl. I'm back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Today I will be installing an Amazon synthetic wig. The link gonna be in my bio, by the way. It's 40 inches water wave. I combed it out, so it's kind of like real poofy right now. But as y'all can see in the video, I'm finna put right here. It was more stringy, almost, you feel me? But I like combed it. I really don't like it just being this poofy, but it's gonna calm down eventually. And I styled it and everything. So if y'all would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm using Ghost Bond lace glue. I think I put 3 layers on my hair. So I put 1 layer, spread it out, dry. Second layer, spread it out, dry. Then I repeated that step till I got to my 3rd time. This is the wig. I like combed it out with this spray. I don't think I showed this spray, but I did put tint spray on the lace so it can match my skin tone a little bit. 40 inches. I tried to see how it would look on my hairline by adjusting it before I actually like apply it. So my final layer of glue is like the thickies because I wanted it to last through practice, and it still set it off, so it was kind of pointless. But yeah. So right here I'm cutting off the excess piece that I have around my ears so it can fit behind my ears and not be over my ears. Yeah. I did it on both sides. After that I took my lace spray. I think it's like the Eden or Ebony, the red one. I don't think I showed y'all. I'm pretty sure I seen it before. I sprayed it along both sides, rubbed it in. Then I got my, what's it called, elastic band, and I tied it. I got 2 bands connected so I could tie it extra tight. I left the band on until my head started hurting. The longer you have it on, the more it melts your lace. Now I start cutting my lace, and I put the band back on, taking it off now. Yes, ma'am. It's getting melted. I combed it because like it was sticking to my forehead. It's getting scalp, ain't it? So now I'm pulling out my edges. Really and truly, I cut them too long. So further on in the video, y'all gonna see me cutting them. Then I cut them again to make them a little shorter. I did not want my edges touching my eyebrows. That's not it. So I sprayed where the edges was. On the video I watched, the girl said you're not supposed to put blonde wigs, so I didn't. So don't cover me in my hair. Okay, so we putting it on again. We letting it sit to melt it, you see? Yeah. I was already feeling myself.
That again. Stop. Hold up. Show your little body.
I wasn't feeling how it looked sticky, so I put alcohol on it. Don't do too much because it's probably gonna lift y'all legs. I took a mini flat iron and I curled my edges upwards so I can get the fluffy effect. I didn't let my flat iron get too hot because it's in synthetic hair and it has potential to burn and mess up. So yeah, be cautious when you're messing with synthetic hair and heat.
Shorty little body, shorty my little boo thing, and shorty got the body, shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I pull that roll,
most definitely 8 on the edges. This is me styling it. I don't know why I just didn't fix my edges for this little close-up part. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna style it in the morning. It's like 1 o'clock right now. After practice. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. This is the final look. I styled it, as y'all can see at the beginning. This is how I styled it. I tried my best. So this is what happened. I had cheer practice. I already installed it. I'm gonna insert like a part of a TikTok I made in the morning. It was twisted, right? But then after cheer practice, we had conditioning. It sweated all, so I had to reinstall it. And I kind of rushed so I could like get all my stuff together so I can have this video up by late tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, this is it. I feel like it gives, and like I was nervous about this color because it was outside of my comfort zone. I never dyed my hair. The wildest color I ever had probably was like a honey blonde. So this is like very different for me. Just wear it with confidence. If you wear it with confidence, no matter what anybody think, it looks good, period. Cause I know I'm eating this up too. Yeah. And what about it? So if y'all wanna, you know, feel luxurious, like more, purchase this wig. The link is in the bio. I rate this wig like, it's affordable, easy to install, and it's like very soft. Very soft. And it actually held to heat. As y'all can see in the video, I curled the edges with the flat iron. So with this being synthetic, that was very good because most synthetic weave will probably like burn or get crunchy, and it's still very much fluffy. Yeah. And I use like the hot comb a little bit. I really didn't have to. I was just trying to see something, but yeah, this is pretty much it. I kind of like, I don't know what I did right here. It looked weird. But other than that, it looked pretty nice. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be taking pictures in this wig, and I'm gonna have some TikToks. So make sure y'all check out my Instagram at the_.harmo 2 Y's, and check on my TikTok ok.harmo for me giving looks. You feel me? Yeah. And that's it for today. I'm out. Bye guys.